So in today's video, you'll learn how to force stop apps on your OnePlus 13. So if you're having issues with an app, whether it's not closing or it's just giving you problems and you want to learn how to force stop it, then this is the video for you. So the first step is to open the settings app, and then in settings, you want to scroll and select apps. Under apps, you want to tap on app management. Then you want to scroll through the list and look for the app that you want to force stop. So for example, if I want to force stop Chrome, I'll just tap on it like that. And then from here, you should see this force stop option right there. So you want to tap on it, and then you want to confirm that you wish to force stop this app, and then the app will be force stopped. So that should solve any issues that you are having. If that doesn't work, or if you can't even access the settings app, then all you need to do is simply just go to wherever that app is located. And then once you've found it, you want to tap on, or you want to long press on that specific app icon. So for example, TikTok, I can long press on the app icon like that. Then tap on app info. And then you should see this force stop option here. So you'll just want to tap on it, confirm that you wish to force stop the app, and then that will successfully force stop the app. So those are the two ways you can force stop apps on your OnePlus 13. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.